emoji.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
All right, so Mama Shra, she's coming home. She wanted shrimp scampi, you know, because in this house, the house of Shra, there are certain things that we always have in the refrigerator and the freezer that I can whip out at any time to satisfy her. So we were talking about shrimp scampi last night, and she was like, well, what are you waiting for? That seems to be her go-to quote now. What are you waiting for when we're talking about food? So I made shrimp scampi. You know, just because I'm who I am, I made it for her, but I plated it up 3 different ways. And you're gonna see how I played it up for her. You decide which one she picked. I'm not gonna tell you, but you decide which one she picked. And you know how it is in the house of Shra. If it doesn't look good, they won't eat it. So I gotta put in the work, not just making it, but plating it. Look at this, man. Man.
Yeah, look at that. Good goobly goop. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. And that's what we talked about. Oh yeah.